Right then, this little church. Look at this, lovely. Looks a bit dilapidated. It's called Wolfrida, and it's in a little village called Horton, near Wimborne, I think. But we have checked the door and it is open. So let's have a peek inside. Oh, Jesus, freezing. It's nice and warm outside. Quite dark. Look at this. Oh. Oh, this is just the ante room. Let's have a look. See my ugly mug. Horton. Some war memorials. Look at that up there. Look at this one. Right then. Let's see, there's a curtain. There we can see. There's the font. Nice clean little font. It's only a tiny church. It looks really nice on the outside. A couple of bits of possession. That crosses. That's beautiful. Very minimalist, this one. Okay, nice. Nice pulpit. It's all closed off. Iron railings. No access. Just have a wee look over here. Nice and wooden one. Look at that. This chair. Right then. A nice little chair. Priest, probably. Nice pipes. Pipe organ. There's metal things under the carpets. That's this here. So that says, I don't know if you can see that. Let's have a wee peeky forward. A bit more. To praise the glory of God, commemoration of Her Majesty's Jubilee, 1887. Wow. Now who put up that? Queen Victoria, maybe? Now who's this on the wall? Let's have a look at this one. I'll let you read that. Oh, there's a couple of things up here. Right. Stand up here. Here we have a knight of old with a shield, a sword. He's a bit cross-legged down there. And then on this side, looks like a woman. But who knows? Right, it's got this lovely cherub. There's the cross, got these lovely cherubs. That's cool, look at that. Sort of gilt. Leaky roof. Here we are, Horton. Horton. Or Horton something. Saint somebody. Oh, Wolfrida. That's what it's called, Wolfrida. Where the pipes come out. Right, so that's it.